Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I'm a beauty blogger and YouTuber. I'm here to simplify your beauty routine and help you find things that actually work for you. Today we're going to talk about my favorite at-home device that can seriously work for everyone. This is a high-frequency machine. I first learned about high frequency when I was at the peak of my acne in my early 20s. I had horrible hormonal acne. My chin was always broken out, my pores were super clogged, my skin was oily, my hair was oily, and it was really embarrassing and discouraging. I was trying as much as I knew to try, and I finally broke down and started getting facials as often as I could afford. During my facials, they would use this zappy thing that made my acne dry up so much faster. I didn't really understand what it was at the time, but I noticed a huge improvement in my skin. My skin looked glowy, my acne healed faster, and I just felt like my pores looked smaller. So next time I went to my esthetician, I asked her what that device was and then where I could purchase my own. And she told me that it was for professional use only. So I continued to get facials with her and I would get the high frequency treatment as often as I could. Eventually I went on Accutane, which cleared up majority of my acne, but that was 10 years ago and I do still occasionally break out. So fast forward 10 years, I'm scrolling through Amazon and I see an at-home high frequency machine. It was $30 and I was like, what do I have to lose? Honestly, I would have bought it if it was $300 because I know how much it helped me and I know that they really do work. After I had mine for a few weeks and I could confirm that the at-home version did work as well as the professional one, I started writing a blog post about high-frequency machines. As I was researching, I found that this is so much more than just a zit zapping tool. High frequency can help with acne, enlarged pores, clogged pores, fine lines, wrinkles, puffy eyes, under eye circles, thinning hair, and lymphatic drainage, cellulite, like so much. So let me introduce you to my favorite device. This is the high frequency machine. I'm going to explain how to use it, how it works, and all of the benefits. So this one from Amazon came with 4 different wands. Okay, so first I'm going to go through the round tip. This is the one that you can use anywhere. I mean, really you could use all of them anywhere, but this one, just the flat surface, the shape of the tip, it's the most easy to use on any part of your body. So basically, this tip is the one I use for the overall glow. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It increases blood circulation, which then renews cells and promotes collagen and elastin production. So this is the tip you can use on your whole body. It's really great for helping with cellulite because it increases blood circulation. It produces the oxygen flow. It creates collagen and elastin, which is then going to give you that smoother, firmer skin. This tip can also be used for lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage is a technique used to flush toxins from your body and help reduce fluid retention or swelling. Okay, so this is the acne tip. And as I mentioned before, I initially bought this device for my acne. It dries up your zits so fast. And if you're like me, you get those big, gushy, whiteheady zits, or even cystic acne, this will be your best friend because it prevents them from getting quite as big and quite as gushy. So you can actually catch a zit with this before it pops. So you know when you feel a bump coming, but there's nothing really to squeeze or get out yet, this can help you kill it beneath the surface of your skin. So what it's going to do is kill the bacteria beneath the surface, which will then prevent it from coming up. Or if it does come up, it'll shorten the lifespan of the actual zit that it has popped on your face. So if you can prevent the zit from actually coming to the surface, you're going to prevent acne scarring or redness or pigmentation that happens from acne. High frequency produces a spray of oxygen molecules that penetrate deep into your pore or zit, so it cleans out all of the toxins. It can also help with enlarged pores. So if you use it regularly, you will feel like your pores are smaller. Your pores can't actually shrink. However, high frequency is going to make the skin softer and smoother, and it cleans out all of the crap that's in your pores, and it controls the extra oil production. The reason you get blackheads is because oil is trapped in a pore with dirt. So if you can keep your pores cleaned out and as smooth as possible, your pores will appear smaller and your face will look clearer. This is the under eye tip. And really, it's just because the shape, so this can easily fit under the eye. It helps reduce puffy eyes and dark under eye circles because it's creating oxygen, which will increase blood circulation and disperse that excess fluid. So that's the puffy eyes. One of the main causes of dark circles is poor circulation. So the skin around your eyes is very thin, and if there's not enough oxygen circulating the blood through that area, it will appear very dark. So high frequency can actually help by circulating new oxygen into that area and making your dark circles look better. Another side note, you may also be low in iron. So go and take an iron supplement, but I would get tested by a doctor first just to be sure. Okay, and then the last tip, this is the hair tip. So the same way it helps with cellulite, it's promoting circulation and stimulating your hair follicles to wake up. This also works really well in conjunction with hair growth formulas. So if you're using like a shampoo or conditioner like Bosley, one that can help stimulate hair growth, using this with that will actually really help. Okay, so those are the 4 ones. Now I'm going to go wash my face and show you how to use each one. By the way, if you're pregnant or nursing, I do suggest speaking with your doctor before using a high frequency machine. So whenever I start using the device, I always cleanse it. So you take the tip, and this is the one you can use over your whole face, and then I spray it with alcohol. So this is just going to disinfect it. And then I take a cotton round and just rub it all over. And then also, this should be done on a clean face, so you should have just washed your face. And then I take toner. This is my all-time favorite toner. It's from the drugstore. It's Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel. And then I take a new cotton pad, some toner on it, and wipe it all over my face. Now that I've cleansed the device and my face, I'm going to let it dry off. And there's different ways people do this. Some people use one of those gauze cloths and put this on top of it and rub it over. You really don't need to do that. You can actually put this directly on your skin. Some people prefer it over serums. I like it on a dry face. So you turn it on, and you hear it, and then you just start working over your skin. So now that you've done your whole face, you're going to want to spot treat certain areas. I love this tip for spot treating. So this is just a small, little, very concentrated tip. So you don't turn it up as high as the other one because it can feel really zappy. Again, you're going to disinfect it. So just spray, wipe it off. And then find a zit. Okay, so I have some on my forehead. So you just hold them on the area, and you can tap it or you can just hold it. I would suggest doing it for longer than 15 seconds at a time. So that's why I like tapping more. And this is also great. I like to clean out my pores with a smaller tip on my nose. Just kill all the bacteria that's in there. It's okay to run it over the same area a few times. Redness is to be expected. It's normal. You're getting all of that blood flow and oxygen up to the surface. So this is the spoon, and you can use this one under your eyes. It's a really perfect shape to get up in there. This can help with under eye circles and puffiness. You can also use it on your eyelid. If you have thinning hair, you can use this comb tip and then brush it through. Another thing that you can use your high frequency machine for is lymphatic drainage. You can use it all over your whole body, but especially on your face. If you're going to be zapping your face anyways, you might as well do the lymphatic pattern so that you get all of the benefits of reducing puffiness and just getting your lymph nodes really activated and keeping them flushing all of the toxins out. So I'm going to show you the pattern for lymphatic drainage. You don't have to do lymphatic drainage when you're using this. You can just rub it all over your face, but why not kill 2 birds with 1 stone? You start kind of just run along the shape of your eyebrow and then go up a little. And then go up a little more. And then the other eye. And then this one, you just go straight up. And generally, you want to do it over each area 7 to 20 times. It can take a while, but think of it as kind of like a treat for your face. And you don't have to do this. Again, this is just an added benefit of the high frequency machine. Okay, so now you go under. Go under the shape of your eye. And you go like out. Think of it as ending on your temple. So you go out. This also is okay for people with melasma, so that's why I'm okay using this. And then on the nose, you can go down. Kind of go around the shape of your cheeks. And now here, go straight out. So kind of like your mustache, just straight out. And then here you're gonna go up. And you can take it a step further into your neck. You're gonna rub it up. So that's how you use the high frequency machine. Okay, that's how you use the high frequency machine. I hope you found this informative, and I will add the link to purchase the same one that I used in this video in the description box below. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. See you next time.